One of the major constraints fish farmers are facing currently in Nigeria and Africa at large is the issue of feed cost. Apart from every necessary operation management in culturing fish, feed cost takes 70% expenses, which is normal. But the abnormal part of this feed cost is the running inflation on feed fish farmers are going through over time. Imagine the same bag of feed a farmer bought 2 years ago at the rate of 12,000 naira now costs 37,000. This high cost of feed has made many farmers to shut down their farm operations and increment in sales of fish that many average consumers cannot afford. But one thing is that every challenge makes a determined farmer stronger. With new innovations of improvisation to minimize feed cost and still produce same results. Inflation is one of the reasons a farmer should make available on ground the total bags of feed to raise a fish till harvesting period. And if you want to know how to calculate total bags of feed to raise a fish till harvesting time, I already have a video on it on YouTube. Go to my YouTube channel, Aqua Market 7. You will see such video that can help you calculate the total feed cost to raise your fish. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. One of the nonchalant character a lazy and unserious fish farmer can exhibit is to see mortality in the pond and still neglect the necessary action that such scene demands. In case you don't understand the term mortality, it means dead fish or fishes. Such continuous engagement could lead to more or high mortality rates in the pond. If care is not taken, mortality in pond affects water quality in the pond and also causes bad odor in farm environment. And when water quality is affected, the level of dissolved oxygen in the pond depleted, meaning the fish in the pond now struggle for survival in getting atmospheric oxygen, which is supposed not to be. But untrained, nonchalant, careless fish farmer neglect such healthy factor for fish health, causing low productivity. Note that low productivity is equal to low profit. As a fish farmer, please do not engage in such bad behavior for betterment of your product at the end of harvesting. You can check more of my videos on YouTube and TikTok at Aqua Market 7 for fish farming, operations, management, fish processing, and fish health. Subscribe and follow for more educative videos. And if you have any issue that you want me to talk about, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Many catfish farmers in Nigeria are currently facing high mortality rates and fish disease attacks such as dropsy, gill rot, jaundice, and bacterial attacks, especially on fingerly sizes in their ponds. And few of these current challenges has made many fish farmers to doubt their expertise due to the failure to put an end to this current situation. And remember that anything that is not contributing to the peace of the fish farmer and productivity of the farming will result to the loss of farmer interest. Imagine a farmer having about 30 to 45 mortality every day for consecutive days in the farm. That is loss already. Here are my few recommendations to apply in your farm to reduce mortality and disease attack. Number 1, remove all the dead fish in the pond to avoid bad smell in the farm environment. Number 2, change the water in the pond every day to improve water quality and dissolve oxygen. Number 3, remove any fish in the pond that looks weak into a separate or hospital pond for immediate treatment. Number 4, make use of antibiotics or organic treatment to improve fish health. Number 5, check the source of the water to your pond if the source is not closer to canal or soakaway, because they have the influence to pollute the water source, which can affect the fish in the pond. I believe this video has helped you one way or the other. Do well to like, follow, and share to your fellow fish farmer. I am Bamidele Ayemekun. See you in my next video. And do well to patronize us with the following services we render.